Today, we are with Mike Thompson, Director of Data Center Operations at one of the largest data centers in the country.
So Mike, you said this facility is designed mainly for AI workloads. How long did the build out take?
From the time we put shovels in the ground to having large companies feed us live data, it's been record-breaking in both speed and scale. That initial phase took 14 months.
14 months is an incredibly tight timeline. So at what point did our teams at OneMonroe get involved in the build?
You know what? I wanted to show you the sheer size of this place, but these servers are pretty noisy. Let's walk over to our staging and integration area.
To answer your question, this project has 4 general contractors, and your company is supplying components to all of them.
To understand the volume here, just look at the wire. A typical high-density GPU rack uses about 20 power cables. That's roughly 200 feet of cable in just one single rack. Multiply that by 10,000 racks.
So when you add it all up, that is almost 400 miles of cable.
Yeah.
Just for the rack power.
Yeah, the electrical infrastructure is massive, and it all has to stay on a tight schedule to keep the build moving.
Mike, thank you for making time for us today and for your insight. We're proud to support the infrastructure that helps build and run projects like this.